And these two men who have shield on the back and spear in the hand, they're the ones who are guarding the battle, and they're the ones, the leader in the village, who guard things. The shield that they have on the back are very tough ones. Even the spear cannot penetrate this shield. And the people standing here with drums, with the sound of the drum and the sound that they are making now, traditional howling as well as ululation. This is not just any sound, it gives courage and it drives away fear when men have to go to war. This particular dance, called war dance, cannot be performed by any ordinary man. This dance cannot be performed by someone who has not been to the battle and who has not seen victory in battle. That is tied to the spear, to the head of the spear. It has a significance of its own. That is not just an ordinary leaf. That is called Pungring No. It means that gives joy, and only when there is celebration or any festival or any victory, people use this leaf, Pungring No. So the significance which is tied to the spear is that they have come back from the battle and they are victorious, and it is to signify victory as they come back from the battle. tribe, Zeme community, it was and is to some extent a very strong patriarchal society. When you're about to go to a battle, when you're about to face something very difficult in life, women do not take part and women do not participate, and man is not allowed to go to women if they're to face the battle. Marks the culmination in expressing the joy and showing to the world and bringing the victory.